Westy from Burner Barbecue, here today to cook these beautifully marbled beef ribs from Kelly's Meats. Of course, going to be using the Beef Boost rub. Here we go. Got all that membrane on the back, we've removed that off. Get rid of all that tough skin, much better eating. Trim's done. We're going to come in now with the Beef Boost rub, packed full of flavour, made for beef. Going to use all that excess rub on the board to get those edges nice and packed full of flavour. Rub's had a chance to set on the board. We're just going to put it in the Flaming Coals offset now, running at 275 Fahrenheit, using the charcoal basket and the Temp Master Pro. There's a question we get asked a bit about what we spritz with. I use apple juice. You can use water, you can use apple cider vinegar, but I just find this is the most effective thing that I use. So for the best results, cook the meat to a predetermined internal temperature, and the best way to get that is an instant read thermometer. We've been in the smoke for a bit, we've got our colour looking banging, our bark's looking good. We just temped and it's got to 160 Fahrenheit internal, so just time to wrap it now. So in our wrap we're using foil, we've got our bed of butter, we're putting the meat side down, and we're going to top that off with some beef stock. All right, wrapped up tight, ready to go back into the offset. Beef ribs straight out of the Flaming Coals offset. We've got a squishy, beautiful goodness. All right, thanks for watching.